Alright, so for my cooking experiment or cooking thing, I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies, and for the macronutrient breakdown of the bad cookies, it will be for per cookie, it will be 23 carbs, 10 grams of fat, and 3 grams of protein each, with 150 grams of sodium, or not 150 grams, but 150 milligrams of sodium. Then for the good, we have, for the good cookie, we have 24 grams of carbs, 5.2 grams of fat, and 2.9 grams of protein per cookie. And the way that I'm going to do this, and I've looked up some stuff, is for the main substitute I'm going to make, instead of using butter, I'm going to use applesauce instead of the butter to mix in with it. And another thing that I've made, or substitute, is using Splenda instead of the actual white powdered sugar. So that's just a macronutrient breakdown of the cookies right now, and I'm going to go ahead and mix that all together and then show you after. Alright, so for the main steps of this, we have the original one over here with the original products of cookies. Right here we have 255 grams of applesauce, and the biggest switch we're making here is Splenda, and everything else we're going to use the same of. So basically all we're going to do is, with this applesauce, we're going to put this in first, then just add all this on top. And once we do that, I will show you exactly after it's mixed up and everything, how it looks and texture and all that stuff. But that's the main big difference, besides switching the pure sugar with the Splenda. As the main step is this right here, switching that for the butter. So I'll show you this after. Alright, so after this is all mixed up and changed, this is the one with the higher total calories. This is the one with the lower. So when it comes down to texture, you can see this one's a little more, I guess you could say, soupier in a sense, and not as firm. And this is the one with the applesauce and Splenda. And as you can see, this one is much more firm, and this is the one that you use butter. So right now I'm about to put this in the oven. I'm gonna put it on the cooking sheet. So after that's done, I will show you how, after it's cooked, how firm and the taste would be for that. Alright, so this is the biggest pan that I can have, and this is the final product. These 4 are with applesauce. These 2 are with the butter. As you can see, there's a darker texture right here, and there's a lighter texture here, or lighter color. As for texture, I would say the one with salt is a little more rougher on the top, and the one with applesauce is smoother. As it comes to taste, alright, so as it comes to taste, I'm going to go ahead and taste the applesauce one first. I say it's got a sweet taste to it. Now here's the one with the butter. When it comes down to taste, I'd say they're probably pretty much identical. As for the macros breakdown, for each cookie we decrease the fat by 50% by decreasing it by 5 grams, and then the sodium decreased by over by 60 milligrams per each cookie. So all in all, the macronutrients from carbs stay the same and protein stay the same, but fat is the biggest thing that we decrease on here when it comes to and also smell. I would say the smell. You can almost smell the applesauce in the applesauce one, but besides that, they have a little bit different color, same taste, same texture, a little bit different smell. Besides that, they're both pretty good cookies. And that is it for my demonstration. Thank you.